If you do any kind of shipping or storing of artwork, canvas work, or picture frames, you need to check out these corner protectors from Zipcase. They come packaged very well in a 120 pack, all in the same box, and the same corner protector services 3 different sizes. Assembly of the corner protectors is pretty straightforward. You select the depth you'd like, make your first fold at the corner, and then fold up the depth you need. The first perforation on the back side is where you always fold over to make the back. The next one will line up with the upright for the depth you need. You fold in the tab, slide it in the slot, and you're ready to go. This smaller size works great for framed artwork or picture frames. To make a larger corner protector, you're going to just select one of the farther out slots to fold up. The rest of the process is exactly the same, and you're just going to fold all the perforations that line up to create your corner protector. This larger depth works great for larger canvas material or picture frames with a larger frame on them. The corner protectors come in a 1 inch, a 1.5 inch, and a 2.2 inch size. These work great for protecting any kind of framed artwork you've got. I hope this helps your buying decision. Thanks for watching.